Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades really quick for today. The first trade I took today was on ETSY. ETSY popped up at the open and denied a high pre-market level we had here. Then there was this big red candle, so I started to look at it for a short. Came down towards VWAP, it popped up a little bit, and then when it dropped down through VWAP, I went short. I put my stop loss just above these moving averages up here. It did sell off a little bit, but then it popped back up through VWAP, and I did get stopped out. The second trade I took on ETSY, it came up and denied this level again. Then we had another big red candle, so I went short here. I had a little bit more confidence in this trade. I put my stop loss just above these moving averages here. And then we did get this big drop that I was hoping for. I covered my first piece here at that time low of the day, and then I started covering more down here towards and through this 40 level we had here. Then it got bought back up through towards VWAP. It kind of came up and came close to testing my entry point. I wanted to give it a little bit more room to see if it could sell back off. It did sell back off a little bit to 40.05. It bounced off this level here. It came back up towards VWAP, and then it came down and hit this level again. Then on this next candle, I saw it pop up, so I thought it was going to hold this level and could squeeze up through VWAP, so I exited with the rest of my position at 40.15. The second ticker I traded was Roku. Roku sold off at the open and bounced off of this previous day close. It squeezed up through VWAP, and I started to look at it for a long. It kind of pulled back towards VWAP on its way back up. I went long for a break of high of the day. I put my stop loss just below VWAP. It did pop up through high of the day. I sold a few pieces up here, and I did get stopped out with the rest at break even. The third ticker I traded was ACAD. ACAD sold off at the open. It bounced off this level here, came back up to VWAP, came down, hit this level again. It wasn't a perfect double bottom, but I saw this as a double bottom. And then when it squeezed back up through VWAP, I started to look at it for a long. It pulled back towards VWAP on its way back up. I went long. I put my stop loss just below VWAP. Then I saw, here's high of the day at that time, and when I saw that it denied this high of the day level, I just didn't have any confidence in this trade. I thought that it might come against me, so I stopped myself out at break even. After I stopped myself out, we did get this pop that I was hoping for, which is unfortunate. The second trade I took on ACAD, we did have this level up here, so it did break up through high of the day, but it couldn't hold up above it. And when it sold back off through VWAP here, it came up, hit this level up here, and then you had this red candle. So I looked at this for a short. I took this as a quick scalp trade because if you look here on the 5-minute chart, you had this moving average down here, and it was holding. It looked like it was holding this moving average, so it looked like it was going to continue up for the day. So I went short here. I put my stop loss above that level that it created up here, and then when it dropped down through VWAP, I started covering down towards 40.70. The fourth ticker I traded was Home. I traded Home to the short side, and it didn't end up working out. Home opened strong, and then it hit this level up here. It bounced off. It came down, hit this level again, came down, and then when it hit this level again, I saw this as a triple top. It just could not break up above that level. And then this red candle here gave me more confidence. It pulled back up to this moving average. I went short here. I put my stop loss at high of the day. Then on this candle here, it did drop down, and I said, okay, here we go. It's going to get down towards VWAP. But then when I saw this candle created a little bit of level here, when I saw it hit this level and bounce off, come back up, it wasn't as weak as I hoped. So I stopped myself out at break even. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.